Hi everyone, this is Andy from Gigabyte. I gotta say this coffee is really refreshing, just like the new Intel Coffee Lake Edge platform to our new Aero 15 and Aero 15X. However, we even make it more refreshing with lots of new features inputted. So let's take a look. In this video, we will have two parts. The first part is the unboxing of the new Aero 15, and second part will be the detailed review of it. So let's start from the first part. I will make it quick, the unboxing, because we haven't done many changes on that, but we'll still make some. First, we changed the look of the packing, and actually this is the first time we have the specially designed Aero logo on it. You could also find it on the panel frame. So let's open it up. So let me take out the Aero 15. Also the accessory box. Let me put this down. So here's the Aero 15. Later I will have detailed review of it. So let's take a look at what kind of accessory you can have with it. So let's open the first partition. Here's the adapter. And here's the other accessory you can have. This is the driver, manual, and also the warranty card. And the last one is the power cord. It may vary based on your region. So that will be the experience you will have when you purchase Aero 15 or Aero 15X home. So let's take a look at what kind of new feature you can have on the new Aero 15 and 15X. I think the most noticeable change is that we changed the CPU from the former i7-7700 HQ processor to the new Intel Coffee Lake Edge i7-8750H processor. Actually, this is the first 6-core processor that Intel comes up on the mobile platform. So as you can see, the Q in the model name has been removed because in before times, the Q represents the quad-core. So what kind of benefit you can have with the first 6-core mobile processor on our new Aero 15 and Aero 15X? Something amazing that according to our test with the Cinebench R15 CPU, you can have over 50% more performance compared to former Kaby Lake CPU. This is really exciting because we haven't seen such a huge performance jump product from Intel in these 3 or 4 years. So it means that you could have more immersive gaming experience, and most important of all, more capability on content creation. And that's the thing Intel want to highlight on the first 6-core mobile processor. Well, just like what I stated first, we try to make it not like another CPU refreshing, but input a lot of new features which is exclusive on the new Aero 15 and 15X. So let's take a look at these features. The one I want to highlight most is the panel. Now we got 2 panel sources. One is the long-awaited 4K UHD panel with 100% Adobe RGB color space coverage. I gotta say sorry to all of you guys if you keep looking for the 4K version of the Aero 15 because we encountered some huge delay from the panel vendor. However, it's finally available on the new Aero 15X. I think there's no mention about how beautiful the 4K display is and how rich the color would be under 100% Adobe RGB color space coverage. And this is really beneficial for those professional users such as a designer, photo editor. However, another panel is the one I like most. It's the Full HD one, but with 144 Hz refresh rate gaming panel. Actually, Aero 15 and 15X are the world's first laptop featuring the bezel-less 144 Hz refresh rate gaming panel, and it could deliver you the smoothest gameplay without the worry of motion blur. Well, some of you may wonder what kind of game title could be driven in the FPS over 144. Our answer to that is no need to worry about that at all, because there's a series of titles which includes the ones which is widely adopted by the esport could be rendered in the FPS over 144. So it means that you can fully enjoy the benefit of this world's first bezel-less 144 Hz gaming panel. Talking about gaming feature, we also upgrade the keyboard of the Aero 15 and 15X to fully anti-ghost, which is N-key rollover. So that means you will never miss a shot in game or any keystroke in your intensive work for the professional software such as the Photoshop or Premiere. Also, we have enhanced the sound of the Aero 15 and 15X with the application of the Dolby Atmos gaming sound technology. I think you have heard about Dolby Atmos before. It's kind of sound technology to help you hear the sound which is hard to hear before, such as the sound on the top or the sound on the back. Now they even push it further and more dedicated for gaming with the Dolby Atmos gaming SKU. They're introducing a brand new function called Gaming Radar, which helps you to identify the location of the sound in the game, and you can always get ahead of your enemy with it. Well, Aero 15 is not just perfect for gaming, but also perfect for your work. To make your work more efficient, we also upgrade the standard SD card reader to the high-speed one, which supports the UHS-2. You know, nowadays people are getting more used to capture some high-quality content with high-quality devices such as the 4K cam or DSLR. However, the size they capture may be huge, up to 100 of gigs, and it will take considerable time to transfer this media file from the SD card to the system. However, with the high-speed SD card reader which supports UHS-2, it could dramatically reduce the time needed to transfer the data from the SD card to your system, and then you will have more time to concentrate on your work. Even with this new feature inputted, now the new Aero 15 and 15X got thinner and lighter. Now it only weighs 4.4 pounds, which is 2 kilo, and the thickness is only 0.7 inch, which is 1.8 centimeters. So it means that the new Aero 15 and 15X not just get more powerful, but also more portable. However, all the legacy of the Aero 15 has been kept. Thunderbolt 3, which is PCIe 4 lanes, 94-watt huge battery, RGB per key backlit keyboard, X-Ray Pantone certified panel for 4K and 144Hz ones, and versatile I/O, which includes HDMI 2.0 and Mini DP 1.4. All of this makes Aero 15 and 15X not just perfect for gaming, for your work, and also for your daily usage. So that will be all about the new Aero 15 and 15X. Hope you could learn this model more with this video, and never feel hesitate to leave the comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.